cruiser. Alright guys, Barney was attacked by a wasp. That's what happens when you get people from, fuck off. That's what happens when you get people from England that don't know what a wasp is. Wasps are harmless, bro, they don't do nothing. Anyway, as I was saying, Pro 4X MP300 are getting super popular these days. You've seen them come and go. You guys asked for it, now we've done it. This Pro 4X is here today. We've also done everything on this mother function over here. Introducing, you've seen it before, we've done it again, and we're gonna keep doing it, the Nomad Sabbath wheels. 18x9s wrapped up this beautiful Pro 4X, wrapped up the Maxis AT 811s. We've also done a cow off-road 4-inch lift. This thing here is a massive bad boy, upper control arms, extended brake lines, adjustable panhard rods, and the works. Now as we go here, I'm gonna show you guys what we've also done on the rear. All right, now on the rear of this MP300, now you're probably watching this video and going, yeah, it is a HSP roller shutter. Why? Because it's the best, it's Australian made. Very, very waterproof, and it's pretty gangster. It's very, very slim, and it's black. Everybody likes black. Now another thing we had to do just to add this mother function on is the electrical side steps. You've seen it before. Yes, Pro 4X, we've got them in stock. Like so, this time here, these T-Max ones, they also come out with a switch that you can turn on and off. So whether you're cleaning your car, whether you're going off-road or whatever. But enough about me talking shit. Check this fucking MP300 out.